Hi everyone, today I am going to solve an Excel assignment Exp19 Excel Chapter 6 Cap High West Fashion. In its project description, you are the digital marketing director for High West Fashion, a regional clothing company that specializes in custom t-shirts. Your company has decided to launch an online advertising campaign that gives customers the ability to purchase heavily discounted products. You have the task to determine the optimal amount of advertising to purchase in order to maximize the profit and most effectively utilize resources. That's our project description. We will move to our first step. Our first step is start Excel download and open file name exp19 Excel chapter 6 direct marketing. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. I have already open that one file. That's our file, digital marketing file. And if you need help in online courses like computer science, business management, business and math, business and finance, human resource management, history, English literature, nursing, psychology, statistics, information technology, applied science, or if you need help in Excel assignment, Word assignment, PowerPoint assignment, or if you need help in exams or Singage courses, Pearson courses, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can scan the WhatsApp barcode which is given at the start of the video and at the end of the video. Now we will move to our second step on the direct marketing worksheet. So we will go to the direct marketing worksheet. That's our direct marketing worksheet. What is saying? Create and appropriate range names for the cell B8. That name for design fee for cell B8. You will copy this and go to the cell B8. That's our cell B8. You will type here as a rename as a design fee and press enter. So it's now design fee and cost per ad as a B9. Control plus C and go to the cell B9. That's our cell B9. Rename this one as a cost per ad and press enter. Third one, totals clicks in the cell B10. You will just go simply here, paste this one, total clicks, press enter. Profit per click as a B11. That's the simple way of assigning the range names. Go here and paste it here as a cost per click, profit per click, or you will go here just by selecting. You will go to the formulas and here in the define names, it's selected now. You will paste it here as a name as a profit per click and it's B11 cell and press OK. So it's now this name already exists. So that name already I assigned this name here. So he is asking that you have already assigned this name and gross profit to the cell B12. That's the cell B12. That's already a solved assignment. So I am trying to just redo this one so you will understand what I did in this assignment and you will easily do when you are doing at your own. We will move to our third step. Our third step is edit the existing name range design fee to the design fee 2021. We will copy this one. We will go to the name managers and here we will select the design fee. That's our design fee and we will edit this one as a design fee 2021. Press OK and that range name also exists. So we will delete this one and also delete this one, edit this one. That's our design fee 2021 in the cell B8 and press OK. So we have changed this one as a design fee 2021. That's our step. Third step. Our fourth step is use newly created name to create a formula to calculate gross profit in the cell B12 and net profit. So we will go to the B12 cell. B12 cell is a here already for formula is a given which is written as a cost total clicks B10 multiplied by B11. So we will just change this one in your assignment. It's given as a B10 multiplied by B11. So you will change this one as a by range names as a B10. We will use B10 range names as a total clicks. And what is the B11? In the B11 it's profit per click, and press enter. The formula will be same, but we use only the range names in the formula. And in the cell B13 also we will use the range names like this: gross profit minus design fee 2021 minus cost per ad multiplied by total clicks. That's our formula in the cell B13. That's our fourth step. Our fifth step is create a new worksheet name, range names. We will make a new worksheet here like that. We have added a new worksheet. We will go to the plus sign and name this one as a range names. It's already given. So we will make it as a range name 1. And what is he doing? Asking paste the newly created range name to the cell A1 for information. So we will go to the cell A1 and we will go to the use in the formula and select this one as a paste names, and we will select paste list, and here we have got the our range names in the A1 in the newly created range name sheet, and resize the column as needed for proper display, and resize this one. So you will select this one and double click this one, so it's now resized. So that's our fifth step. Our sixth step is on the direct marketing worksheet, use the goal seek manager to determine the optical click rate in order to earn 5,000 net profit. So we will go to the digital marketing worksheet. So what is he saying? Optimal click rate to earn 5,000. So here you need to use 5,000. We will go to the data tab, and here in this we will go to the goal seek. What is he saying? Use the goal seek to determine the optimal click rate in order to earn 5,000 profit. Set value B13 to a value of 5,000 by changing the cell, which is cell A is asking for optimal click rate. Optimal click rate, where is the that is our optimal click rate. Cell B5, we will press OK. So we have got our change value in the cells like that. That's our goal seek manager. That's our sixth step. Our seventh step is starting in the cell E4, substitution value 2% to 6.5%. So in the cell E4 we will type just 2 we will type here as a 2%. That's our 2%. And we need to use, I will cut this one all so you will understand what I am doing. Here in the cell E4 we have typed 2%. We will go to the home tab and we will go to the series, and here we will select as a column. What is the step value? Here he is telling us the step value 2% to 6.5% with an increment of 0.50%. So we will type here step value as a 0.5% and stop value as a 6.5%. 6.5%, and we will press OK. So we have got our values like we will go to the series option, then in the column and step value 0.05, while stop value as a 0.625, 0.65, and press OK. So you see we have got our values. Why it's not working? As a 2, while we will select this one 2 as a, and you go to the series, we will select column, we will select 0.5 and star value 6.5 and press OK. So we have got our result here like that. And what we need to do now, 50% we will make it as a change as a percentage, like that. That's our 7th step. I have a complete assignment like that. You see when we got here, we will use as a percentage here. 2% is a 0.02, 2%. It's a 2%. We'll go to the series, and in the column we will write is 0.05 to the step value 0.65. What is the step value? Our step value is 0.50%. It's 0.005, while stop value is 0.65. Now we have got our value because it's showing in the percentage, so we have making a mistake while typing. Now we have got our results. That's our 7th step. We have total 26 steps of this assignment. I have performed 7 steps in this video. You see here it is a complete assignment. That is a one variable data table. That is maybe a step 9. Complete one variable data table. That's a one variable data table. And what is the two variable data table is also given. That's if in the 14th step he is asking for two variable data table. I have completed this one. That is a two variable data table. And what is he saying at the end of the steps? That's the scenario. So we will go to the scenario manager. That's a scenario summary. That's a scenario summary. And what is at the end of this video? At the end of this assignment, he is asking for generate answer report. Here I have generated the answer report. That's our answer report. So if you want to deal for your complete assignment, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can scan the WhatsApp barcode which is given at the start of the video and at the end of the video. Or you can just comment on this video, so I will get you soon. And if you like my video, please subscribe my channel to get a new video update.